Today is just a fun video, because you need to have fun. So what are we doing? Dissecting aliens.
So Erin and I have different aliens. And inside the aliens is a person we're trying to save, a bad little bug, and then diamond type things. And if you look at Erin's paperwork, it kind of gives you your mission statement, what you're going to do on one side, and all the different things that you can have inside your alien, the different type of aliens and what's inside your alien, and the instructions with your thing. Her alien's cute and my alien's just like...
He's like a space
worm.
Larva.
So the first thing is you get your little tweezer tool and your cut, and then you cut where it tells you to cut. Okay, so once you get your alien cut open, you should be able to see his rib cage. So you remove the rib cage. How did you even... Oh.
Because Erin's too excited.
Okay, take out the things. This is your ooze, by the way. And everything's in the ooze. Open the thing.
Open said ooze.
The consistency of this one makes me want to gag.
Oh, it's real slimy. Oh my goodness. Oh no.
Erin likes slime.
Oh no.
Kim does not.
Oh no. Oh no.
You know I'm not touching this.
Oh no.
Okay, now save your humanoid thing.
Who needs tools?
From the ooze.
I have grossed Kim out. That is not easy to do.
Okay, so you get a weapon with your thing. I have a little sword.
I have a bag. I have a...
That's your person's head.
He's already dead. How am I supposed to save him?
Let me put him back together.
I found the little squid guy.
Okay, that is Erin's bug. It's her alien.
Oh, I found some arms.
Thank God the foot is not gross. I forgot how gross this was.
It is not easy to gross Kim out.
No, it's not.
This is real slimy though.
I know, and the consistency looks like...
He has 4 feet.
Snot. I think Erin's more excited the fact she grossed me out.
I take it as a win, man.
Okay, so there's my little bug.
We have the same bug? I think we do.
No, you have legs on
Oh, I
yours.
do.
Mine's more of a face hugger bug.
This is real gross, guys.
And she's all enjoying it, and I'm over here like, "Huh."
I saved him! Ba-ba-ba.
My person came in one spot altogether. He's a space pirate dude. However, once you take the slime off him, he doesn't feel gross.
They have names?
Yes. Erin can tell you the name of her person.
It's Gore. You're Dr. Slop, I believe. Mine is a rare acid knot. Hers is a super rare worm warrior. That's a worm warrior.
My dude or my...
Yours.
Hi. He has a warm tail.
That's Dr. Slop.
And so what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to put the ooze in the bottom of the head, decapitate your thing.
Are you done?
And then squeeze. Yeah, have him all out. Oh, your weapon looks like it's from Halo.
Oh no, you have to put it in your head!
Okay, I'll put it in my head. It looks like he's sucking on a pacifier. Go in. Go in. Go in.
It's gonna be super gross.
Go in. Okay, I can handle snot, but I can't handle, like, things that look like snot or smell like snot. So you put it in, and then you squeeze.
Woo! It came out the bottom.
Squeeze.
You gotta squish.
And then once you're done with this, you pop off the top, and you put your ooze in the top, and it holds your ooze. And then you put your alien back in the container, which, why don't these have bases?
I don't know, that's weird.
It's fun because you don't know what alien you're getting inside your alien.
Right.
There's only 3 aliens, the red, the green, and the blue. So.
And I got this on Amazon. I was not able to choose a color.
Walmart has them also.
I say worth it.
It's worth it. Especially for little kids. There you go, buddy. I got all your snot out of your face for you.
My sinuses are clear.
The bad thing is once you take everything out, it's kind of meh. But you have a space to store all your stuff is.
Because who's going to check the body cavity of an alien?
Us.
And we're filming this right before Halloween. You won't see it till after, but it's very appropriate.
Yeah, it is. And she's gonna just sit here and play with the slime all night long. Only reason you need parent supervision is the little tool. Only reason you need a parent to supervise your small children is because the tool is a little bit serrated.
And then tiny objects.
And then the tiny objects. So, probably not for anyone under the age of 5. Okay.
I think that's a good end. Right there. Bye.
Bye, guys.